Unexplored Vast.
Welcome to the vast expanse of our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. Nestled within its embrace is our humble home, the third planet from the Sun, accompanied by a celestial entourage of 7 other planets. But have you ever pondered the tales of their discovery and the origins of their names? Prepare to embark on a fascinating journey as we unravel the captivating chronicles of how and when the planets of our solar system were unveiled. Let's start with Venus. Ancient civilizations, such as the Babylonians and ancient Greeks, observed this planet in the night sky and associated it with a celestial object they referred to as the morning star or the evening star. The realization that Venus is not a star but a planet can be attributed to the scientific observations and advancements made during the 17th century. Astronomers such as Galileo Galilei played a significant role in this discovery. Through a telescope, he observed that Venus exhibited phases similar to those of the Moon, which indicated that Venus orbits the Sun and not the Earth. This observation supported the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus, in which the planets revolve around the Sun. Now let's go to Mars. Ancient civilizations observed the planet Mars in the night sky and recognized it as a distinct celestial object and often referred to it as the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance. Similar to Venus, the understanding of Mars as a planet developed further during the scientific revolution. Astronomers like Galileo Galilei studies Mars more closely. He observed its varying brightness and the presence of dark patches on its surface, which he referred to as seas or continents. Later, in the 19th century, astronomers Giovanni Schiaparelli and Percival Lowell mapped its surface and proposed theories about possible canals and signs of intelligent life. They spurred public fascination and popularized the idea of Mars as a potential abode for extraterrestrial life. Mercury. Ancient civilizations observed the planet Mercury in the sky and noted its distinct characteristics. They referred to as the messenger of the gods or the wandering star. In the 17th century, astronomers like Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler made significant observations of Mercury through telescopes. They noted its orbital patterns and its close proximity to the Sun. In the 19th century, astronomers Johann Schroeder and Giuseppe Piazzi studied its rotational period and surface features, but observing Mercury was particularly difficult due to the Sun's intense glare, which required innovative techniques and careful analysis. Now let's travel to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. In ancient times, Jupiter stood out as a prominent celestial object, captivating the attention of civilizations like the Babylonians and Greeks. They observed its distinct brightness and tracked its movements among the stars. During the scientific revolution, our understanding of Jupiter took a significant leap. In the early 17th century, Galileo Galilei observed Jupiter and its 4 largest moons, realizing that they orbited the planet instead of the Earth. This revolutionary finding challenged the prevailing geocentric model and supported the heliocentric model. It ignited a new era of astronomical exploration and propelled the study of Jupiter and other planets forward. Saturn. Similar to Jupiter, Saturn's distinct appearance in the night sky intrigued the ancient civilizations. They observed its unique yellowish hue and noted its slow and steady movement among the stars. In the 17th century, Galileo Galilei was the first to observe Saturn's ring, although he initially mistook them for handles or moons attached to the planet. Later, Christian Huygens provided a clearer understanding of Saturn, realizing that it consists of multiple distinct rings surrounding it. The discovery of Saturn's rings proved that celestial objects could possess intricate and dynamic features, contrary to the previous belief in the celestial sphere's uniformity. As we can see, these 5 planets, Venus, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn, captivated the curiosity of early astronomers and were observed since the ancient times. Ancient Romans are primarily credited with naming the 5 visible planets, assigning each one the identity of a revered god. These names have been used for centuries and have become standard in our astronomical nomenclature. Now let's take a look at the next planets, which were discovered more recently. Uranus. The discovery of Uranus is credited to the British astronomer William Herschel. On March 13, 1781, Herschel observed an object in the night sky that he initially thought was a comet, but further observations revealed that it was actually a new planet. Herschel initially named the planet Georgium Sidus after King George III of England. The name didn't gain widespread acceptance outside of Britain, and eventually, the planet was universally referred to as Uranus, after the ancient Greek deity Uranus. Neptune. The discovery of Neptune is a fascinating story in the history of astronomy. In the early 19th century, astronomers noticed irregularities in the orbit of Uranus. This led to speculations that there might be an undiscovered planet influencing Uranus' path. In 1846, French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier and English astronomer John Couch Adams independently predicted the existence and the position of a new planet based on these observed irregularities. Later, Johann Gottfried Galle, a German astronomer, used their data to locate Neptune in the night sky. On September 23, 1846, he observed Neptune in the predicted position, confirming its existence. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea. What about Pluto? Pluto's discovery dates back to 1930 when astronomer Clyde Tombaugh observed a faint object moving across the night sky. This object was initially thought to be the elusive ninth planet of our solar system. However, as our understanding of the solar system deepened, Pluto's status as a planet was not as straightforward as originally believed. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined the definition of a planet, leading to Pluto being reclassified as a dwarf planet. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the discovery of our solar system's planets. We hope you found this exploration enlightening.